Hello friends, my name is Tanvi and today I am going to show you one experiment. Today I want to show you that air exerts pressure through making my own hand pump. So let's get started. To make this hand pump, we need two transparent glasses. One should be empty and one should be filled of water. I have used colored water to make it more visible to you. You can use plain water also. It is not necessary to take colored water only. I have taken one funnel, one balloon, one folding straw, one plate for my safety and one plastic bottle having a hole through which the pipe can go. So let's get started. Take this bottle, put the funnel on it. Now we will put this water into the funnel. I have put this water into the bottle. I am having some extra water. I will put it also. Wow, what a great color. Now I will put this straw over here and I will set this setup.
Adjust.
Now I will blow this balloon.
Twist.
And I have twisted this balloon. Wow! Wonderful!
Magic.
Magic! It is the magic of science. Wow, amazing. Do you know why it happened? I tell you. Pressure is created when air is trapped inside balloon. By releasing the air from the balloon into the bottle, water is forced out through the straw, creating a water pump. This was the magic. Thank you. Have a great day.